Okay, so let's use this lesson to test our validation code. So let me open a new terminal. Let me start our server. All right, and I'll open another terminal. And I have prepared a few data points, a few requests. So I have this first one. I'm going to paste that here. Okay, and then I will simply use curl, use the -i option. Our data, our body will be found here, and of course it's localhost. Right, so we get an OK because we have provided everything, right? Website, mode, email, and phone. Okay. Let's change a few things. Let's say I remove the country code. Okay. Would that make a difference? Yes, it tells me the phone must be a valid phone number. All right, so that works. Let's try leaving off a few things. So let me paste this. All right, so it tells me that the website must be provided. I did not include the website. Let's remove something else. Okay. So it's telling me that the email and the website must be provided. And let's try one more thing. Let's use null. Okay, so I will use null. So null for website, null for email. Does that make a difference? It's still telling me that they must be provided. And notice that it's a 422 response on processable entity. All right. Okay, so our validation is working. Although we did mention that we wanted website and email, not email, but website. Website and email to be optional. So what I'm going to do in a future lesson is to show how we can actually ensure that we can make website and email optional, and if the user doesn't provide them, if the client doesn't provide them, we don't get prompted to the client does not get that required message. But also, if they do provide it, that we actually validate it. All right, so we look at that. But for the next lesson, I want us to actually clean up our code a bit. I want us to do a bit of refactoring. And so I want to move the validation checks out of the handler. Okay, so currently they're inside the handler. I want to move them out. All right, so we look at how to do that in the next lesson.